Not every revolution is loud. Some change the world in silence. But where is the future of family mobility actually being built? And what if the answer reveals more than just a factory, but a global strategy? This is next generation cars where innovation meets reality. And every machine tells a deeper story. The Toyota Highlander has always been a symbol of balance, efficiency, comfort, and trust built into one of the most dependable SUVs in America. But the world didn't stand still. Families demanded more space, more technology, more efficiency without compromise. And that's where the Toyota Grand Highlander was born. Not just bigger, but smarter. But size alone doesn't explain its importance. Then comes the moment. The 2027 Grand Highlander Hybrid refined, expanded, and reimagined. A vehicle that doesn't scream for attention, but quietly dominates every expectation. It's not just an SUV. It's a statement of how mobility evolves. But where it's built changes everything. The design speaks a new language. Longer body, stronger presence, cleaner lines that reflect modern simplicity. Every detail feels intentional. Compared to its predecessor, this isn't just an upgrade, it's maturity. But design is only the surface. Because the real innovation lies underneath. A hybrid system built for efficiency, without sacrificing power, a smarter driving experience, a quieter, smoother journey. Problems of the past, fuel consumption, limited range, rough transitions, are now refined into seamless performance. This is not just hybrid technology, this is evolution in motion. But the biggest answer still remains. Inside, everything changes. More space, more comfort, more connection between driver and machine. But here's the question: can a vehicle built for families still feel exciting? Or has practicality replaced emotion entirely? Because the future isn't just about moving forward, it's about how it makes you feel. Here's the twist. The Grand Highlander Hybrid isn't just built for one country. It's part of a global production strategy, manufactured in key locations like the United States, designed to meet global demand. Because today, where a car is built is just as important as how it performs. That changes how we see value. So where is the Grand Highlander assembled? Not just in a factory, but in a system designed for the future, built in America, driven across the world. The 2027 Grand Highlander Hybrid isn't chasing trends, it's quietly setting them. And sometimes, the most powerful evolution is the one you barely hear. So, does where a car is built really change how you see it? Or is the future defined by something bigger than location? Tell us your thoughts in the comments. And if you believe the next generation of cars is about more than just speed, subscribe to Next Generation Cars, because the future is already here. You just haven't noticed it yet.